Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to my channel, and today we're doing Domiso hair. Inside of the box we get the wig itself, 2 wig caps, and a pair of lashes. So the hair I will be reviewing today is a Kinky straight 26 inch. This has pre-cut lace. The knots are not bleached, but if you're a true beginner that do not like to bleach your knots, you can probably just use a cream foundation and hide them just the same. So you are getting the 6x4, and this is a glueless wig. It comes with a removable adjustable glueless band and no combs because it is truly glueless. Hey, so let's get into it. So this is the hair after I've washed, conditioned, and bleached the knots and let it air dry. She's fluffy, lightweight, and ready to go. I'm gonna prep my wig cap with the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist in this shade right here. I just use this shade to further blend the cap in with my skin, and so you won't see that bright beige band through my lace. So moving on to my lace, I'm going to be using the Lace Tint by Red by Kiss in medium brown. And I'm just going to do a light coat, nothing special. I just wanted to have a little bit of pigment to it. It's not just that kind of white cast to the lace. It will blend in with my skin more. Okay ladies, so for this wig install, I'm going completely without any got-to-be or glue or anything. So I'm just going to tap around my hairline with the same brush I used to tint my cap with, and as you can see, it just really disappears. Now I'm going in with my Garnier Fructis Anti-Frizz Serum, and I'm going to put that all over my hair from root to tip and just get it going, because I'm going to go ahead and silk press this hair out, even though it is absolutely beautiful in its natural state. Okay, now I'm going in with the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant, and I just spray this on each section right before I go in with my flat iron. I do have my flat iron on 450, and I use 1 pass. So it's hot enough, goes slow enough where the hair is being penetrated by the heat and straightened out, and you should only have to go over it 1 time. I did do the other side with a different heat protectant because I was kind of experimenting which one is better, because I used them both. It was the Fructis Perfector, I think it's called, and it also goes up to 450 degrees, but it has a holding power. And I do feel that the other side that I do was a little bit straighter. And you'll kind of see when I'm done what I mean, but yes, I think your heat protectant does matter. So, and I've also tried the Chi brand. It's okay. I don't have any problems with that, but I was just kind of experimenting against the two because they're both around the same price range. They're affordable, so I was just trying to see which one gave me the best result. And I will say I would have gone in and done smaller sections, but I was in a rush to say, so I was trying to get it done for you guys. But I definitely would break these sections down just a little bit more, just due to the texture of the hair and me only doing 1 pass. Make sure you're, doing the proper sectioning when you're flat ironing your hair for the best result. So the side that I did off camera, that side right there, to me is a little bit more sleek than this side right here. But let me know what you think. They're pretty much the same, and I'm using the same heat protectant I used on the other side for my hot comb section on the top. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you kind of see a difference in the two sections. I mean, they're pretty much the same to me, but let me know what you think. So my final thoughts on this hair is that it is natural and luscious. It reminds me so much of my natural hair when I silk press it out. You would think in this summer heat it would be so heavy and hot because of the texture and the thickness, but it's not. It has such a beautiful flow to it, and you can't even tell you have it on. I don't have to worry about the got to be and the glue in this heat, and I love it. The lace is undetectable. And I'm loving Domiso hair. This is my second wig from them, and they're doing their thing for sure. Just look at that. Oh, it's so good, you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Of course, all of the things about this wig and their website will be down in the description below. And that's all I got, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay sweet.